How to use egg white to treat acne, 22 methods. Acne is a common skin condition that usually affects teenagers and young adults. It occurs when the oily sebaceous glands of our skin oversecrete the oily sebum, and the surface of the skin turns excessively oily and easily traps dust and other dirt. The continuous accumulation of excess oil, dust and dead cells clog the pores and forms a suitable ground for acne bacteria. Some symptoms can include pimples, red irritated skin, and painful pus-filled spots. There are lots of cosmetic products that promise a cure for this, but most have side effects of their own. That is why the home remedies are the best way to deal with this problem. Egg whites are often used as a treatment for many skin and hair problems, including acne and acne scars. Is egg white good for treating acne? Egg white is full of vitamins, amino acids and proteins that help in rebuilding the skin cells by soaking up the excess oil. It contains an enzyme called lyozyme which annihilates the acne-causing bacteria. Egg white, when applied on the skin, dries quickly, cleanses the skin and absorbs the excess oil. It acts as mild astringent to prevent further formations. It has an exfoliating effect on the skin that removes the accumulated dirt and dead skin cells. Egg whites contain a protein compound known as albumin that acts as a natural antiviral agent to fight acne bacteria. The compound destroys the cell structure of bacteria and kills the microorganism. It shrinks the skin pores to prevent the accumulation of dirt. It is rich in proteins that act as building blocks of skin tissue. It is a great source of B vitamins which has powerful antioxidants to protect the skin cells from damage. It also nourishes the skin and promotes cell repair. Egg whites clean the skin and prevent bacteria growth. How to use egg white for acne. 1. Egg white. Egg white soaks up the excess oil to prevent acne and also fades its scars. This process is also very effective in treating back acne, chest acne and cystic acne. Wash your face with water and pat dry with a soft towel. Separate egg whites from 3 eggs and whisk them for few minutes. Apply a layer of egg white on the face. Wait for few minutes and then apply another coat on it. Leave it on for a few minutes to dry. Wash your face with warm water then pat the skin dry. Apply moisturizer. Repeat this process once or twice in a week. Alternatively, after applying the egg white, you can place tissue papers all over the face. Coat another layer on the tissue papers and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Peel off the tissues and wipe your face gently with wet towel followed by lukewarm water and cool water to tighten up the skin pores. 2. Egg white with honey. This face mask helps to tighten the skin pores and prevent the bacteria. It soothes the irritation and redness. Combine 1 egg white and 1 tablespoon of honey. Slather the mixture all over your face avoiding the areas around the eyes. Leave it on until it begins to tighten. Rinse with water and pat dry. Repeat the process regularly. 3. Egg white with tea tree oil. Tea tree oil has antiseptic, antibacterial and antifungal properties that fight against the bacteria. When egg white is mixed with this, it removes damaged skin cells and enhances the new cells. Mix egg whites and 4 drops of tea tree oil. Stir it well and apply this mixture as a facial mask on the affected skin. Leave for 15 to 20 minutes and wash off with lukewarm water. Dry the skin and apply moisturizer. Continue applying this facial mask once or twice in a week. 4. Egg white with lemon. Both egg white and lemon has natural astringent properties that help to constrict and shrink the pores to push out the dirt and excess oil. Process 1. Whisk egg white and fresh lemon juice together. Wash your face with water and pat it dry with a towel. Apply the mixture, avoiding the mouth and eyes. Leave for 15 to 20 minutes and wash with warm water followed by cool water. Dry the skin and apply some light, oil-free moisturizer. Repeat the process once or twice in a week. Process 2. Mix 1/2 teaspoon each of whole wheat powder and lemon juice in 2 teaspoons of diatomaceous earth and egg white to make fine paste. Apply this all over your face and scrub it in circular motions. Wash it off after 10 to 15 minutes with cold water. Follow this process once or twice in a week. Note: you can also add a little rose water and 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar for additional benefits. 5. Egg white with baking soda and yogurt. Baking soda has a microdermabrasion property which makes skin soft and beautiful. It also neutralizes the pH level of the skin with its amphoteric property. Yogurt soothes the skin and relieves redness, irritation and inflammation. Mix 2 tablespoons each of baking soda and fresh lemon juice, 1/4 cup of low-fat, fat-free, plain yogurt and 3 egg whites. Apply on the affected skin. Let it sit for 20 to 30 minutes to dry. Rinse it off with warm water. Repeat the process once or twice in a week. 6. Egg white with lemon.